Okay, guys, welcome to a special quick reel of the Quiver podcast. And here on this video, we'll be announcing the winner of the Ibarra Trofeo Green Watch from Ibarra, Manila. So, Vic, Brian, are you ready for the draw?
Yes.
Ready.
Okay,
Ready.
finally. Okay, here we go.
Yan na natin kung balak gawin.
All right,
Drum roll.
drum roll, please.
Ta 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 ta. Di yung ganun. Ooh.
Francisco, Africa. Congratulations. Masibong.
Kasi pong yan, ha?
Di ata,
Ano ko
di
yan?
ata ka na watch.
Seryoso ako, ha? Feeling ko si Bong
I
yan.
think it could be him.
Oh my God.
So congratulations to Francisco Africa. Kung ikaw si Bong, you're a winner of Ibarra Trade Green Watch. We're
Retro
gonna
natin yan.
contact.
Joke lang.
Thank you for everyone and for following the Quiver podcast. Check us for more episodes and more future raffles, and continue to follow Ibarra Manila on Instagram. Check out their products; they're great. So Vic, Brian, congratulations to the winners,
Woo!
and say, Animo Lasal.